Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make reposts private on TikTok. Let's get started. So first of all, you need to open up your TikTok application. And once you're in the TikTok app, you need to tap on Profile on the bottom right corner. And once you're here, you need to tap on Menu on the top right corner. And after that, tap on Settings and Privacy. From Settings and Privacy, you need to scroll down and check for a repost option. And as you can see, I do not have the repost option yet because it is not available in my region. But you should have that option right here. So all you need to do is tap on the repost option and then set it on private. So this way, no one will be able to see your reposts. But for those who do not have the option here, I will show another way to do that. First of all, you need to go back to your feed. From here, you need to swipe left and go to Reposts. After that, you need to tap to open the post which you want to set at private. And once you're here, all you need to do is tap on Favorite to add this post to your favorites. This way, add all the reposts to your favorite. And whenever you add something to your favorites, they will automatically become private. So for those who do not have the option to make reposts private, this is the only way you can do it. So that is how you can make reposts private on TikTok. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.